This is the live payment proof PP coins. This is the live withdrawal and live income free, and you can check out here my withdrawal 3 days ago. I have withdrawn 30.404 thousand some coin I have claimed. This is the free claiming website are running from 3 months, and I have withdrawn a lot PP coins from here, and today I am going to take a live withdraw, and I have check out you here. I have this amount I have. You can check out at 10,000 coin equals to this USD, and my mining you are starting from registration. You can earn from this site free withdraw. I have going to withdraw this amount. I have this amount, some refer earning amount. You can check out here. This is the refer earning amount I have collected, and in last video I will tell you the refer amount. I am going to tell you the process of this claimation, and let's claim this coin. You can check out here we claimed coins, and this is notification we have start again claimed after 26 seconds. I can claim again, and you can check out here my balance coin was withdrawing, and there is no minimum withdraw, no, and I have converted, and you can check out here. Here is the max amount convert of PP coins. I am going to withdraw in PP coins. You can check out here. I got 821 PP coin with this coin balance. In last I will tell you the how to increase refer earning. This is totally free website are running from 3 months. I have my PP coins was generated from this website. I am going to click on withdraw. This is my Faucet Pay ID. When you register your this account, you get check company link of Faucet Pay wallet in application, but you can use my Faucet Pay wallet email ID registration for use. Wallet and email ID I will share in description, and I am going to withdraw and confirm it. 821 payment withdraw was inflated successfully, and this is the app are running. You can check out here app name Cloud Mining Crypto. Let's go on Faucet Pay wallet. I am open the Chrome browser and searching Faucet Pay wallet FAU faucetpay.io. This is the wallet. You can earn email ID with this wallet. I am click to dashboard because I have registered already, and I am going to cut this amount, and in last you can check out here cloud mining 821 PP coin was credit in my account. You can check out here last normal payment it's 23 April 2026 and 34 again. You can withdraw this coin in your local bank account from anywhere. I am going to tell you about the refer earning, how to generate your link from this app, and you can check out your refer click. I make some videos on YouTube. I earn 6 my total. This is your link on front, and this is 6 refer, and you can check out here this showing you earn 10% forever they claim generated, then no withdraw. You if your friend claim this coin, I earn this amount from refers. They claim daily, I don't know when, but this amount share and withdraw 6 refers. This is the coin. This is PP coins, guys. You can convert any coins your points from here. You can check out here. This is the currency: Dogecoin, Troncoin, Litecoin, PP coin, USDT. USDT is simple and easy. I will claim again. I have earned 7,000. So this is the USDT. I convert max in USDT. So this USDT I get, this USDT start converting I have convert USDT and I go to withdraw. So this is USDT amount I will get. You can check out here. I am going to withdraw max in USDT. So I have max. So the amount was cumulated, and I'm going to check out in Faucet Pay. You get this amount USDT or not? I will refresh this Faucet Pay wallet. You can check out here. I get USDT last. You can check out here. My USDT was credited instantly, guys. Wallet, and I have now PP coins 7,386 PP coins I have, and I have no more currency. So easy to use, easy to friendly. I am going to tell you the registration process. Only Faucet Pay and capture and register. Every time don't make double account in your mobile, and otherwise your account was banned. So I have earned again 3,000 quick claims, and you can convert any amount from here easily. You can Tron. Let's convert in Tron. So I have converted easy Tron. I have this. You can instant withdraw every minute, every second. You can withdraw from here. If you earn, let's say, you can check out if you want double your earning. If you can, I have 7,000 PP coins from this earning website. You can earn from this website, and you can here is the buy hash power. Minimum, I can tell you the hash powers reading. So you can here 1 USDT, 0.010 USDT. So 0.01 USDT here is after purchasing your current use my USDT. Here I purchase USDT. So 2,600 PP coins they need for increase your hash power. So that's why I have, you can check out here, I have created this 1 month ago. I have purchased this amount, and continuously I have 2,000 PP coin instant purchase, and 2,000 if you don't have, you can purchase 0.001. Earn from this website and recharge from earning from PP wallet. It's redirect to PP wallet and instant withdraw. You can check out here. Minimum hash power I buy 2,600 payment 2,616. Your payment was instantly. App was redirect to your Faucet Pay wallet, and instantly you can payment was successful. Go to dashboard. You can check out here. I have purchased this USDT amount. And my speed was increased. My earning speed was increased. These two wallets link are description. You can try and share on social media. And if you like this earning website, please visit my channel. And if you interested to earn free Litecoins and instant purchasing and instant withdrawal site without recharge, you don't need to start your money. Just do start with your mobile, and your earning will start every day, every second. And this is my short channel, and I create this channel. I have 17 subscribers. I create this channel on 25 December, October 16. So today is 26. I have short time for earn from this channel. If you, and this is the free in bio. This is the free Indian users. You can play from this website WhatsApp group bats. This is the free also WhatsApp group bats, and this is I have made 6 referrals from this earning channel. Only 6 referrals from these videos. Thank you for watching. If you other likes that's refer and instant money 500 per refer. You can visit UPI. This is the UPI cashback app. You can withdraw amount from payments. I have 44 and 144 Indian rupees on red tap, and this is the faucet. You can withdraw this amount 0.001 every second. You can withdraw clicks and withdraws. This is site. I hope you like it and promise if you earn from 1 rupees 2 rupees, so you can subscribe and like daily.